Okay students, in this problem we will insert three rational number between 5 and 6. As you know, if we move on the number line, we see that we can insert infinitely many numbers between 5 and 6. So in this method we can check how we can insert 3 or more number in between 5 and 6. First take this number 3 and add 1 to this and we got 4. Now we know that if we divide 4 by 4 we got 1. So take this fraction in your mind, and we also know that if we multiply any number by 1, its value will not change. So we multiply 5 and 6 both numbers by this fraction. So write here as 5 into 1 and other side write 6 into 1. Now replace this 1 by 4 upon 4. So 5 into 4 upon 4 and 6 into 4 upon 4. What we will got here? 5 into 4, that is 20 upon 4, and 6 into 4, that is 24 upon 4. Now what we will do? We will add 1 to this number. So if we add 1 to 20, we will got 21 and write denominator as 4. Next number, how we will get the next number? Add plus 1 to this. So next is 22 upon 4 and next is 23 upon 4. So if you have done the process rightly, you will in last you will got the same number, that means 24 upon 4. So if we add plus 1 to this number, we will got 24 upon 4. So this method you can also check whether you done the question correctly or not. So this is your answer. You will got three numbers: 21 upon 4, 22 upon 4, 23 upon 4, and these all numbers will lie between 5 and 6. Okay students, in this example we will insert 4 rational number between 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. So as we done in the previous example, in that example the given numbers are integer, but as you can see in this example these are fractions. So there is slightly change in the method. You can always see the denominator of these two numbers. For proceeding in this case, the denominator of these two fractions must be same. If it is not same, then we can get the equivalent fraction by multiplying them with a number, as you have learned in your previous classes, and we will also discuss in the next example. But in this case the denominator is same, so we can proceed safely. Second thing you also keep in mind, in the left side you have to write the smaller number, that is 3 by 7, and on the right side you write the larger number, that is 4 upon 7. So we have to introduce 4 number in between these two numbers. So as in the previous example, add 1 to 4 and plus 1 we will got 5. So we multiply these two numbers by the fraction 5 upon 5. So 3 by 7 multiply 5 upon 5 and 4 upon 7 multiply 5 upon 5. What we will got here? 3 into 5, that is 15 upon 35, and at the right side we will got 4 into 5, that is 20 upon 7 into 5, 35. Okay. Now in the same way increase this number 1 by 1. So what we will got here? 15 plus 1, that is 16, and write the same denominator 35. Also 16 plus 1, 17 upon 35. Next 17 plus 1, 18, 35, and 18 plus 1, 19 upon 35, and if we add plus 1 we get this number 20 upon 35. So these are our four number 1, 2, 3 and 4, which will lie between these two fractions, that is 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. So if any of these number can be simplified, that means if there is any common fraction, we can divide by that number both numerator and denominator. If it is not, then it is our final answer. Okay students.